Very good morning, children. Today we are going to see chapter 3 in your mathematics, how many squares. So before entering into this topics, let us see what is the area and perimeter of a square and a rectangle. So I think you have come across a square and a rectangle. See, in a square you already know that all the sides are equal. So எல்லா sidesume வந்துட்டு squareல வந்துட்டு equal-ஆ இருக்கும். See here I have taken a square which is of 2 centimeters each side. So ஒவ்வொரு சென்டிமீட்டரோட லென்த் வந்துட்டு பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா எவ்வளோ இருக்குது அப்படின்னா 2 centimeters. ஸோ ஆல் த சைட்ஸ் இன் அ ஸ்கொயர் ஆர் ஈக்குவல். See here it is 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So in a square how many sides we usually have 4 sides. So the 4 sides in a square are equal. So squaresல எப்போவுமே என்னது சைட்ஸ் எல்லாமே வந்துட்டு எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும். நெக்ஸ்ட் we come to what is an area and perimeter. So area is nothing but the space occupied or the surface occupied by this figure. See here the space occupied by this figure is see it is given in this blue color, no, that is the area. So then the perimeter is nothing but the length of the boundary of the square. Whatever we take in, we have to consider. If we take in this case of this rectangle means the length of this boundary of this rectangles. Here we have considered the square. So the perimeter is nothing but the length of the boundary of the square. So see here, what is the length? It is 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So you have to add those for 2 centimeters எல்லாத்தையுமே வந்துட்டு ஆட் பண்ணிக்கணும். அப்போ that is the perimeter of the square. So perimeter of the square is nothing but the length of the boundary. In general, perimeter is nothing but the length of the boundary. So here the length is already given as 2 centimeters. So you have to add all those 2's. So that is your length of this. That is your perimeter of the square. See here, Kanna. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. So here 8 is the perimeter of the square. Now shall we find out this area of the square? Okay, before so இந்த மாதிரி ஆட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு it is much easy to follow this formula. That means a perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into sides, 4 times of these sides, because here the sides are always equal. So what is given here? 2 centimeter. So you have to consider side as 2 centimeter. So what is the formula for perimeter of the square? 4 into side, so which is equal to 4 into 2. So 4 2's are 8. So perimeter of the square is equal to this 8 centimeter. Have you understand what is I am saying? So perimeter is nothing but the length of the boundary. So here the length is the length of the square is given as 2 centimeters. So because in a square all the sides are equal, எல்லா சைட்ஸுமே வந்துட்டு ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும். So see here perimeter is equal to, you have to add those sides. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, your value will be 8. Instead of adding like this, we can bring a formula. That is nothing but the perimeter is equal to 4 into sides. But this is the formula for the perimeter of the square. So which is nothing but 4 into side is how much here? 2. So 4 2's are 8. So perimeter of the square is equal to this 8 centimeter. Shall we move on to this area? See here, Kanna, area is nothing but the side into side. You already know that area is the space occupied by this surface, space occupied by this figure. So see here that the blue color is the area. So area is equal to the side into side. So side means nothing but here all the sides are equal. So 2 into 2. So 2 2's are how much? 4. So area of the square is equal to this 4 centimeter. So see here, Kanna, area is equal to side into side. So side is nothing but 2 centimeter. So 2 into 2 is equal to this 4 centimeter. Do you understand how to find the area and the perimeter of this square? So perimeter is nothing but the length of the boundary. That means you have to add all the length of the boundary. So here in a square all the sides are equal. So the length is that means the perimeter of the square will be 8 centimeter. Instead of adding, you can substitute in the formula. The formula is nothing but perimeter is equal to 4 into sides. So the side value is 2. So 4 2's are 8. That's all. Suppose if the side value is 3 means 4 3's are 12. So have you understand what is in perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but the length of the boundary. The next one is the area. Area is nothing but the space occupied by the figure. So here the blue color shaded portion is the area. So how will you find area? Area is equal to the side into side. So side here is 2 centimeter. So 2 into 2 is 4 centimeter. So area is equal to 4 centimeter. Otherwise you can represent the side as A. So A into A simply A square. So area is equal to this A square. So area A is here is the value of this A is 2 centimeter. So A square is 4. 2 square is 4. Do you understand what I am saying? Okay. Next, we move to this. Next, we can see this topic of this rectangles. How to find the area and this perimeter. Actually, this is you have already studied in your early class. Now you are just recalling it. Okay. See here, Kanna. Here it is a rectangle. So in a rectangles, opposite sides are equal. See here. So அந்த ஆப்போசிட் சைட்ஸ் அந்த மேலே இருக்க சைடும் கீழே இருக்க சைடுமே வந்துட்டு ஆப்போசிட் சைட். ஸோ தீஸ் 2 சைட்ஸ் ஆர் ஈக்குவல். நெக்ஸ்ட் இந்த சைடு உங்களோட லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடும் ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடும் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும். ஸோ அதை நம்ம மேலே இருக்க போர்ஷனை the longest portion we consider it as length, அந்த சைடில் இருக்கிறத breadth நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்குவோம். ஸோ ஆப்போசிட் சைட்ஸ் ஆர் ஈக்குவல். தென் how will you find the first we move on to the perimeter, then we move to this concept of area. So how will you find this perimeter of this rectangle? You already know the general form. Perimeter is nothing but the length of the boundary. So here you see the length is what? The length of this boundary. That means you have to add all those length. So now you consider. So now you see Kanna, the length is what is given is 5 centimeter and the breadth is 2 centimeter. So the length of this boundary is nothing but the perimeter. அப்போ இந்த கொடுத்திருக்க ரெக்டாங்கிளுக்கு நம்ம பெரிமீட்டர் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So for that what you have to do, you simply add this given values. So add பண்ணும்பொழுது see here 2 centimeter plus 5 plus 2 plus 5 you will get 14. 5 plus 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14. So the perimeter of the rectangle is how much we are getting? 14 centimeter. Have you understand what I am saying? So instead of this there is one formula. You already know that perimeter of this rectangle is equal to this 2 into L plus B. So can we substitute this values of L, length and this breadth and that formula and we find out this perimeter of the rectangle? Length oda value, breadth oda value adula substitute பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் நமக்கு perimeter என்ன வருதுன்னு பார்க்கலாமா? Okay, shall we see? So see here the perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B, that means length plus breadth. So you put the 2 as it is. Length value is how much here? 5 centimeter and the breadth value is 2 centimeter. So 5 plus 2 you put within the bracket. So you keep the 2 outside, then 5 plus 2 according. So 5 plus 2 first do this operations. What என்ன ஆப்ரேஷன் ப்ராக்கெட்டில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்களோ அதுக்கு இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் கொடுத்து தான் நீங்கள் ஃபஸ்ட்டு அதுக்கு பீரியாரிட்டி கொடுக்கணும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ 5 plus 2 is how much? 7. Then 2 7s are how much? 14. So anyhow we are getting this same answer. அதாவது நம்ம ஃபார்முலாவில் போட்டு சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணாலும் நமக்கு 14 தான் வருது. லைக்வைஸ் எல்லா லென்த்தையும் பெரிமீட்டருக்கு வந்துட்டு ஆட் பண்ணணும் இல்லையா? லென்த் ஆஃப் தி பவுண்டரி. ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு ஆட் ஆல் தோஸ் லென்த்ஸ். அப்படி பண்ணாலும் நமக்கு 14 தான் வருது. ஸோ இன்ஸ்டெட் ஆஃப் தட் யூ யூஸ் தி ஃபார்முலா. ஸோ தட் மீன்ஸ் பெரிமீட்டர் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 2 into L plus B. 2 to L plus B. So you should never forget what is the perimeter of the rectangle. Have you understand what I am saying? So perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. So first you have to add the length and the breadth for the given value and then multiply the answer with the 2. So this is the perimeter of the rectangle. Next we move on to the area of the rectangle. Area is nothing but the, you already know that you have to the area is nothing but the space occupied by this rectangle. So here the blue color portion is given in the blue or something light green color portion is given, no, that is the area. So area is nothing but the area of the rectangle formula is length into breadth. சரியா? அங்கே வந்துட்டு என்ன வேல்யூஸ் இருக்கோ அதை அப்படியே மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிக்கணும். ஸோ ஹியர் த 2 parameters வந்துட்டு இருக்குது. ஸோ ஒன் இஸ் த லென்த் அண்ட் another one is the breadth. You simply multiply those 2 parameters. So length into breadth. So length value is you consider it as 5 and the breadth value is 2. So 5 2s are 10. Have you understand what is I am saying? So simply multiply the length and the breadth. So the two parameters in the rectangles is the length and the breadth, and you have to multiply the length and the breadth. So length value is 5 and the breadth value is 2. 5 2s are 10. Okay, have you understand what is I am saying? So in general, what is a square and what is a rectangle, you already know that square is nothing but the square. In a square, all the given sides or all the four sides are equal, and the perimeter formula for this square is 4 into side, and the area is equal to side into side. That means a into a, which is nothing but a square. And the perimeter is what? The length of the boundary. So 4, you have to add all the sides, that is 4 into side. Area is equal to side into side. Next, the formula is rectangle. So rectangle formula எடுத்துட்டோம் அப்படின்னா rectangle ரெண்டு parameters இருக்கு. One is the length and another one is the breadth. So perimeter of the rectangle, you simply, what is the main thing of a perimeter? Perimeterனால நமக்கு என்ன ஞாபகம் வரும்? Length of the boundary. You have to add the length of the boundary. கொடுத்திருக்க rectangle உடைய எல்லா lengths எல்லா sides-உமே என்ன பண்ணணும்? Add பண்ணணும். So instead of doing that, the formula for the perimeter of the rectangle 2 into L plus B. That means 2 into length plus breadth. Have you understand? Next, area. Area is nothing but you have to multiply the two parameters. Here in a rectangle, நமக்கு ரெண்டு values இருக்கு. One is the length and another one is the breadth. So area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Have you understand? You should never forget these two formulas. So ஸ்கொயர்னு எடுத்துட்டோம் அப்படின்னா ரெண்டு ஃபார்முலா இருக்குது. ஏரியா ஆஃப் த ஸ்கொயர் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு சைட் இன்டூ சைட், அண்ட் த பெரிமீட்டர் ஆஃப் த ஸ்கொயர் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 4 இன்டூ சைட். நெக்ஸ்ட், இந்த கேஸ் ஆஃப் ரெக்டாங்கிள் எடுத்துட்டோம் அப்படின்னா ஏரியா ஆஃப் தி ரெக்டாங்கிள் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு திஸ் லென்த் இன்டூ பிரெத். பெரிமீட்டர் ஆஃப் தி ரெக்டாங்கிள் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 2 இன்டூ எல் ப்ளஸ் பி. ஸோ தீஸ் 4 formulas you should never forget. இது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப important formula. Okay, so this is I think you already know this. So just to recall நம்ம பார்த்துட்டோம். Next week move on to the topic.